السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. طلاب اليوم نكمل lecture 8 بعنوان What is it like? Okay, in this chapter the question what is it like would be used mainly. Okay, for example, tell me about your capital city. Is it large? How many population are there in it? Is it an old or modern city? What did you like in it and what did you dislike? Okay, so يعني صيغة هذا السؤال ممكن نستخدمها للسؤال عن مدينة أو السؤال عن فد حالة معينة. أوكي، عن الشغلات اللي أنت تحبها في منطقة، في تسأل عن مثلا عن إذا أنت يعني كمجال عملك عن دواء معين، عن structure مثلا، عن side effect، فهي كلها مجرد زيادة information about an object. Okay, here we have a dialogue. Okay, we can make a dialogue or conversation between us during the Google Meet. The grammar of the chapter have the subject, comparative and superlative, adjective. Okay, مثل ما مر عليكم بالمراحل المبكرة من دراستكم للإنجليش language، إنه adjectives can be compared to things or more than two things. ممكن أن تقارن بين شخصين أو يعني شيئين أو أكثر من شيئين. بالنسبة للcomparative هو طريقة المقارنة بالنسبة للpeople والobjects والanimals. Okay, in order to describe them. Okay, if you wanted to compare between two things, okay, you called, for example, smaller or bigger or taller, okay, and so on. Notice the er ending. هنا إذا نريد نقارن نقول مثلا my car is smaller than yours. okay, فهنا ممكن نقارن بين أكو سيارتين، واحدة صغيرة وواحدة كبيرة. زين، أكو فد mistake that both native speakers and non-native speakers make is using incorrectly formed comparative adjectives. زين، يعني حتى ال native people also make these mistakes اللي راح نشوفها هسه. For example, his cat is more large than my dog. Okay, this is incorrect. We don't have to write more because هسه راح أقول لكم على القاعدة إنه more هي incorrect. ما نحط more هنا، لازم نحط larger than my dog. هذا هو الصحيح. So what makes the first example wrong and the second right? There are a few rules. الrules مال القواعد مالتنا، إذا كان عندك adjective that are just one syllable يعني مقطع لفظي واحد، متكون من مقطع لفظي واحد، نضيف er. okay، مثل ما كان عندنا المثال السابق. أما if you have two syllable adjectives not ending with y, then you have to add more. okay, if you have two syllable adjectives ending in y, you have to change the y into I and add er. okay, here we have some more examples. This house is more exciting than ever. okay, this is a right or correct statement. This house is exciting-er, okay, than ever. حتى باللفظ it is incorrect. It is difficult to pronunciate it. okay, Mike is funnier than Isaac. Mike is more funny than Isaac. This is incorrect. Since funny is only one syllable, so we don't have to add more. okay, only funnier is right. okay, بالنسبة للsuperlative اللي هي أسلوب التفضيل. التفضيل when we have more than two things or two objects that I want to compare between them. زي مثلا عندنا 4 خوات أو 4 سيارات أو 4 أشخاص، فهاي ما ممكن أقول مثلا the person A is more مثلا exciting or more clever than person C. Then what about B and D? This is incorrect. Okay, so we have to use another word to compare between more than two things or two objects. Okay, so when comparing more than two things, you're likely to use words like smallest, biggest. زين، فهنا أنا راح نضيف الأفضل والأطول والأصغر. زين، معناته أنا عندي عدد من things وأنا دا أقرر منه الأفضل والأحسن. أوكي، فهنا أنا راح نضيف الإضافة est بنهاية الكلمة. For example, Martha is the elder of the 4 sisters. Okay, if we have only 2 sisters, you could say you could say the comparative elder, but they are 4 sisters, so this statement is incorrect. Okay,